Hello, in this video I will talk on the default values in the Java classes. We have a tester class, and in the tester class we have main method, and also we have a cat class. So in the cat class, let's have some instance variables. So I will say private, and then string, and name of the cat. And also let's say private, and cat has height, okay, height, and this will be, let's say, double. So the height of the cat, and also, so let's say we have a constructor, or let me do here, let's, without a constructor, if I use the default constructor, so it will create an object with the default values. So here I say cat, let's say c1 equals new and cat, and no parameters. So this is the default constructor. As you see in the cat class, I don't have any constructor. When there is no constructor, the default constructor is provided by Java. So after I do this cat, and let's say system out print line. Uh, Normally we make the uh, instance variables private just for the simplicity. Just for this video, let me make them public so that we are not going to write setters and getters. So public, and in the tester class, if I want to display the name of the cat, c1 dot name, okay, and also let me display system out print line. So let me display the height of the cat. Okay, so let's see what happens if I uh, compile it and run it. Okay, so the name is null, and the height of the cat is 0.0. It is because if you go back to here in the cat class, instance variables, when you do not assign any value, the Java will assign some values for them. For the strings, they will be null, and for the doubles, it will be 0.0. For the integers, it is 0, and for the Boolean variables, Boolean data type, the default value is false. So here, if I say, let me explicitly write the default constructor. So it is public, and then cat, no parameters. And if I do this, it will give the same result. Okay, but if you say, if there is no name for the cat, instead of displaying null, let's say all of the cats will be unassigned. Okay, so to do this, at the time of creation, you say name equals unassigned, so no name is given. And also, for you say for a cat to be 0, as soon as a cat is born, the height cannot be 0. So let's say a cat might be 5 inches. Okay, so we say height, and height equals, let's say, 5 inches. Okay, okay, so if I run this, okay, so default values are assigned here. So it says unassigned, and height is 0. You can either do it in the constructor, you can assign it either in here, or the other way is you just put that in here. Okay, and then you say equals 5 in here. In that case, you delete from here. If I do this, unassigned is 5. So if you want to assign the same value for in every constructors, then I would recommend that you initialize your value in here, the default value, instead of relying on the Java's default values. You can just do it in here. So that's all in this video. Have a nice day.